So the trade closes in profit. First win logged in $. The trade closes in profit. We continue the series $. So series result, total balance $. 3 trades, 1 scenario, 0 rush, and that's what discipline looks like in real time. Hi friends, Ravi here. Sometimes the market gives you the best gift, a clean, obvious move, and in moments like that, the trader's main job isn't to invent a genius plan, it's simply not to interfere. Because most people don't lose money when things are difficult, they lose when everything was clear, but they started rushing, doubting, tried to catch reversal, and trading against the impulse. That's exactly a case today, a calm, structured series with confirmation and risk control. If you want more breakdown and useful info, check my Telegram, link in the description. Let's go. Alright, we are on the Olympic platform, candlestick chart. We can see the strength of the move and how price reacts. I choose USD Canadian dollar with a 93% payout. Time frame is 1 minute, a comfortable setting where you see structure but not noise. I also add RSI 14. I don't use RSI as a buy sell button, I use it as a filter. It helps me see if the move is overheated and where there is room for continuation. But the final decision is always based on price action and candles. On the chart, the price is clear, the market is building a downtrend. Pullbacks are weak and sellers are in control. In that situation, my plan is simple, trade in the direction of pressure. So let's start trade number 1, $100 down. I start the session with $100 and enter down. Price is moving lower cleanly. Candles step down one after another. Sellers control the market. Pullbacks are minimal. No reversal sign, no strong buying. Pressure is still there. There is where you don't need fantasies. The market already shows the direction. I just follow the facts. So the trade closed in profit. First win logged in plus $93. Good. Now I check is the structure breaking or is still holding. Let's start trade number 2. $150 down. I increase the amount to $150 and enter down again. Bearish structure remains. Seller pressure stays steady. Buyers don't show real resistance and any pullbacks fades quickly. RSI doesn't show a sudden mood shift. The downside still has enough momentum for the scenario to continue. I increase size only because I see confirmation, not because it worked twice, but because the market hasn't changed. The trade closes in profit. We continue the series plus $139.5. Important point, after 2 wins, people often start speeding up, but speeding up is emotion. I need repeatable execution. Let's start trade number 3, $200 down. Next, I increase to $200 and enter down again. The impulse strengthens, the move becomes more pronounced, candles print strong bodies to downside. Sellers aren't just holding control, they are increasing it. This is the best scenario for a trader when the market does the work for you. Your job is not to interfere and not to try the cash reversal too early. The trade closes confidently in profit, 3rd win in a row, plus $186. So series result, total balance plus $868.5. 3 trades, 1 scenario, 0 rush, and that's what discipline looks like in real time. This example makes it clear stability doesn't come from magic or non-stop experiments. It comes from discipline, risk, control, and following your system when the market actually shows a clean move. When structure is clear, trade with it. When structure isn't clear, wait. That's the grown-up logic of trading. If you want more breakdown, useful info, and the real example of trader thinking, check my Telegram, link in the description. Subscribe to the channel if it helped, and remember, the market doesn't require protection, it requires consistency.